Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn a really handy little trick, how to quickly hide or show code errors in EasyEDA. When working on PCB design, code errors often cover up traces or components. Sometimes when you might want to take a look at what's underneath, or make some small adjustments to your layout. In that case, it's best to temporarily hide code errors, then bring them back once you are done adjusting. So how do we do that exactly? It's actually super simple. All you need to do is open the field panel on the right side. In this panel, you'll see a list of different object categories. Find that one called copper region. And just click the little eye icon in front of it. That instantly toggles the copper errors visibility on or off. This method is especially useful when you are working on multi-layer boards. For example, if you only want to check your component's placement or signal routing, you can hide the copper region to make your view cleaner and easier to inspect in detail. Mastering this trick will make it much easier to switch views and check your design efficiently, especially in complex PCB projects. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Once you get used to hiding and showing code errors, you'll find routing and debugging a lot smoother. See you in the next class.